Hello, this is Sara from Motolegends, and I'm here to show you today a brand new ladies jacket from Rukka called the Roblina, which is exclusive to Motolegends here in the UK. So this is the Rukka Roblina ladies jacket, new for Rukka for 2020 and exclusive to Motolegends here in the UK. It is a Gore-Tex 2-layer laminated jacket with a little bit of stretch. So really comfortable, the most comfortable Rukka jacket I've ever put on, but also superbly waterproof. Laminated, so the waterproofing is bonded to the outside, will never take on water, will never wet out. You will be properly dry in any levels of rain. The outer is a 600 denier Cordura, so it is a proper protective jacket in terms of abrasion resistance. You've got level 1 LP1 D30 protectors, both in the elbows and the shoulders, and you've got a pocket in the back for a back protector, which would be the level 2 3 D30 all back Rukka back protector. So you've got a casual looking jacket, which actually is a properly protective jacket, both in terms of motorcycling and in terms of the elements. What I think is great though is this jacket is very well vented. It's got the zips all the way down the sides, so you've got venting all the way down the sides. You've also got chest vents here and you've got underarm vents. So that's a lot of venting in a jacket of this style. In terms of pockets, you've got the 2 patch pockets and 2 zip pockets on the front, and those have got waterproof zips on them. You've also got an internal Napoleon pocket just inside the zip here. The shape of the jacket I think works very well for ladies. It's got a nice lowered back here, so you've got plenty of coverage there, and it's got adjusters here at the waist, as well as you can use the zips here to allow a little bit of splay on the hips, either when you're walking around or when you're sitting on the bike. So the shape works very well, I think, on pretty much most shapes. You've got poppers here at the wrist, plenty of room in there to get a glove underneath the sleeve. And you've also got a removable hood. Now, the one thing about the hood I would say is if you're riding in the rain, you're going to have to take the hood off. So I think we're calling it a destination hood, because otherwise it's going to be full of water when you reach your destination. So zips everywhere are YKK zips, they're waterproof zips. You've got a storm flap covering the front zip here and hidden poppers, so that will not scratch any tank. The jacket has no connecting zip. It actually doesn't have a matching pant. There is a crotch strap, but I can't see many ladies using a crotch strap. In terms of the thermal layer, it's got a removable 120 gram quilted layer. We'd call it a destination jacket because you can wear it on its own. It doesn't actually connect to the outer jacket at all. It's got side pockets and waist adjusters, so quite nice to wear when you get to your destination. It is not a particularly technical thermal jacket. I think my choice would be to put a heated jacket underneath, and that would solve any issues of cold. Right, I think really this is the nicest Rukka ladies jacket I've ever worn. Really easy to wear, but I suppose the question is, who's going to wear it, when you're going to use it? I think I would consider it very good for touring because it is very waterproof but vented enough that you can wear it in any weather. I would probably match it with a pair of Rukka jeans, but with a Scott waterproof, so I can always put a waterproof on the bottom half. Then when you are touring, it's the only jacket you ever need. You can wear it out in the evenings, you can wear it all day. It is Rukka, it's Gore-Tex, it's quite expensive, it's £680, but you do get a 6-year warranty. In terms of sizing, it goes from EU size 34 up to size 46, which this is a size 38, which I think is about a size 10, with a bit of room for layers underneath. So I think this goes from a UK size 6 up to a UK size 18 to 20. So a very protective but very subtly styled bike jacket. I think it's a jacket you could wear all year round because it is properly weatherproof but well vented. And I think I really do have to say to Rukka, this is the most comfortable jacket that they have ever produced for ladies. So that was the Rukka Roblina jacket. To see more ladies gear, visit the website at motolegends.com. To learn more about that particular jacket, you can click on the links up here or down there. And if you want to buy it, you can go ahead and do that. Buying, we try to make as simple, straightforward and risk-free as we can. There's no delivery charge in the UK on all full-price merchandise you buy from us. It's free returns and you've got 12 months to decide whether you wish to return something or not. We have a fantastic price promise. We think it's better than John Lewis's. If you find a UK retailer selling something that we sell cheaper than us, then we will beat that cheaper price by 10%. If it's a European retailer, then we'll match it, including any postage they would charge. If you wish to sign up to email bulletins, you can do so at the top of any page on the website. There's an email sign up button. Just push that, put your email address in, and you are signed up. If you'd like to subscribe to videos on our YouTube channel, then click the link below. And this year, 2020, we will be giving away a Mutt 125 bike, a Steve McQueen tribute bike, to one of our YouTube subscribers. So make sure you're in that draw. Finally, I'd like to give a small plug for our fabulous shop here in Guildford. It's a small footprint, but we have a big warehouse and £2 million worth of stock to support that shop, and that makes us the second largest shop in the UK. But what we are famous for really is our service and our personal fitting. We have the highest five-star rating on Trustpilot, and when you come and see us, you'll get an Italian coffee or a pot of tea, pot of Yorkshire tea, and hopefully one of Sean's mum's motorcycle-shaped shortbread biscuits. So this has been Sarah. Thank you for watching. We're here aiming to make all you ladies out there safe, comfortable and glamorous on the motorbike.